Winter here in the northeast is extremely brutal. Cold wind and indoor heat strip moisture from your lips. That's why I recommend Glory Pop Lip Elixir from Whitehall Beauty. Here's why it matters in the winter. Peptides help support smoother looking lips. Squalane lock in moisture without feeling heavy. Jojoba oil mimics your skin natural oil. Sunflower oil nourishes and softens. This isn't just gloss, it's protection season. If you are stepping outside in this snow, your lips need a barrier. Snow days offer cozy robes and glossy lips. Shop Glory Pop Lips Elixir, now available on whitehallbeauty.com. Don't wait until your lips are already dry. Winter isn't over. Be prepared.